Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a fully restored 1967 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. It's got a 327 V8 and a 4-speed automatic transmission. It's painted in ermine white with a black top and the red deluxe interior. All right, let's start here at the rear. So underneath the trunk lid, you can see it's nicely painted. Here we got the jacking instructions there. Inside the trunk itself, we do have the trunk liner. It's got that houndstooth pattern. I'll try to lift this up here. It's in there kind of tight. You can see the trunk is all spackle painted so correctly, and the trunk is nice and solid. All right, let's close that back up there again. And then inside the trunk, we have the convertible top boot. So that will come with the car as well. And we'll close the trunk lid here and zoom out. You can see the beautiful red interior. So it's the deluxe interior, nice option. We have the black convertible top down now. It is a power top as well. That is brand new. We just installed that. Here is your white paint. It has the SS rear spoiler on this car. And then we have the LED tail lights. So that's been upgraded, obviously. RS gas badge there. And then down below, we also have the bumperettes on the bumpers there. Let's check out underneath the car. You can see it's nicely detailed, nicely painted. Looks great under there. And now we'll turn the car around and we'll check out the wheels next. All right, so here's the wheels. So we have the upgraded aftermarket Boyd Coddington wheels. We'll take a look. Nice, beautiful chrome wheel. Tire size, where is it now? Is a 245 45 ZR17. So nice upgraded size. 4-wheel disc brakes on this car, so that's been upgraded. And the rims are wrapped in Toyo tires. We have dual exhaust coming out the back there, so each side has that. And then we'll check out that front wheel here. So again, you can see those disc brakes, and they have red calipers as well, so the car will stop nice and well. Again, Boyd Coddington wheels, looking great on this car. The Toyo tires, the front tire size is a 215 45 R17. All right, let's check out the interior now. So we got that red interior, and again, it's the deluxe interior. So we got the nicer door panel. We have the vent windows that come on the 67. We have the window cranks here. They do work nicely. So up and down. Here's your door release there. You got the Camaro badge there, and you got the carpet down below. I'll show you underneath the door here. Nice and solid. The seals look great as well. They were all replaced. Here's your dash. Dash pad looks great. No rips or tears or cracks. Got the speaker there. Here's your glove box. Let's open that up. So we got an aftermarket stereo there. I'll show you the door jambs. They look great. Your Body by Fisher kick plate there, nice and solid there. Let's check out that rear seat. So let's move the seat here forward, and we'll scan that seat. So then again, the deluxe interior, the red looks beautiful. We've got the window cranks up here. We've got an ashtray back here, as well as the other side. And even in the console here, this flips up. They got another ashtray there. We got the seat belts, and they match the interior. Let's put that seat down. We have the Chevrolet rubber floor mats, the red carpet, and check out this seat here. So we got the nice bucket seats here, the custom bucket seat. And we have the rear headrest option here. And we'll go ahead and close this door now and check out back here. So there's your SS spoiler. Looks great on this car. Walking down there is your black top. Here's your red interior. Got the chrome surround here. The chrome looks great. Again, the vent window on the 67. Here's your chrome door handles. And there's your nice chrome wheels. And now we'll come down the body here. Gaps look great on this car. Here's your Camaro 327 badge here. Making our way to the front, we got the RS badge there with the black stripe coming across the nose. We have the RS grill on it, the Rally Sport grill with the hideaway headlights, and they are electric as well. So converted up from the vacuum there. We got the SS front spoiler as well underneath. And again, the front bumperettes there. There's your Camaro Chevrolet badge there. And underneath the hood. So it's got the nice flat black engine compartment as it should be. And here's your engine. So it's a 327 V8 engine, and it's got the 350 Vortec heads on it. And it's got fuel injection, so it's a turnkey car. We got power steering, power brakes. So this car, you can turnkey and just drive it. Nice, reliable car. Here's your body tag there. We'll go ahead and close the hood. Let's check out the hood here. The paint looks great. We have not polished this car yet, so we plan to do a 5-stage polish on the car, including wet sand, to do the paint correction. Great starting car to start with, but we'll make it look better. Let's check out underneath here. So again, it's nicely detailed. Get underneath further, nice and solid. There's your headers. Check out the wheels over here. So if these wheels aren't for you, we do have the factory steel wheels that are appropriate for this car with the factory wheel covers. We also have the transmission, the original style transmission for this car. It's been upgraded to the 700 R4 automatic transmission. So it's a 4-speed, so you can drive it along nicely. Here's your dash over here, and there's actually a crate, wooden crate full of spare parts for this car when he built the car. So that's valuable stuff right there. And then we have your rear seat there. See, the interior is beautiful. There's your pedals down there, your mat. Here's your seat. Looking great. Then we'll stand out here. Then we got the deluxe steering wheel as well, with the Camaro right in the horn cover there. Wipers, your lights. Let's hop in the car now. Close this door up. Now let's give the car a start up here. So again, it's fuel injected. It starts right up. Here's your gauges here. So we got your speedometer over here. Mileage on the car, it's 53,056 miles. Obviously you can't stand behind that mileage, but that's what's on there right now. Here's your tack here, so it's got a nice tack to it. And then we have your cigarette lighter here. Here's your key switch. And we have your climate controls here. Here's your factory radio. I don't think it's turning on, but again, there's a aftermarket one in the glove box. Here we have some extra gauges here, so your fuel gauge, there's a clock there, and your oil and battery temperature. We got the floor shift automatic. Again, it's a 4-speed. And we got the nice console here. Here's your clips for your front seat belts. And we'll lift this up here so you can see we got some space in here with the console. And it's just a great car. All right, let's open up the door here. And let's turn on the lights. The electric motors will open up, and let's give it a couple revs. All right, that sounds great. All right, let's hop out. Again, it's got the power convertible top. That works great as well. Let's check out the lights here. There's your headlights on. So again, those doors opened up nice and quick. And I also want to show you over here some additional information. I like paperwork documentation that comes with the car. So we got the body broadcast sheet. So all your codes there, your warranty information, your convertible top operation. It's got the owner's protection plan with the original Protecto plate. That's cool. Some accessory guide. Here's the original owner's manual. We got a pocket there. Something really cool. The 401 when it was being from 1967, and then we got an Ontario road map calendar for 1967 centennial year. So really cool that this car has got some heritage. again, this is the first year of the Camaro. We'll turn it around now. I'll show you those LED tail lights. Now listen to the exhaust idling here. Alright, so here we have it. This is a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro convertible with the 327 V8, 4-speed automatic, painted in ErmineWhite with black top and a red deluxe interior. This is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.